Alright guys, so this here is my new project, and yeah, so the top, the guy said it was already sanded, but I think it needs a little bit more work, and it's missing drawers, there's a lock, but there's no key, and this wheel down over here is all janky, so we're going to be fixing this up. Needs a little bit of work inside, I don't know if you guys can see that, but needs to be scraped out and cleaned up a little bit. So this is another project we got going on, guys. It's missing drawers. We're going to see if we could find some, or we'll try and make some. This might be a long project just because I can't find drawers. We're going to have to make some, and never done that before. So there's new things on this that I'll never have done, and we're gonna give it a shot. And this countertop's already been sanded by the previous guy, but we're gonna clean it up a little bit more, and we got some stuff to seal it up, and should be good to go. We're going to be finishing the top of this bench top. We're going to put some of the same product I used for the other one. I'd like to put an epoxy coating on this, but I'm not sure what the plans are for this, so I think we'll do this. Based on what was on it already, it wasn't a very strong, it was just a nice finish, so that is what I'm going to be using, guys. So without further ado, let's get this underway, get this coated up. go, guys. It works. Perfect. So we got that fixed. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this stuff, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget you can always subscribe, and don't forget that hit that bell for any notifications of new videos when I upload them. You can always leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the build, what your experiences are, and what you'd like to see maybe in the future. So thanks for all your support guys, and don't forget, never stop learning.